Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the use of to. How to use to in a sentence, let us learn very clearly in this session. Generally, to gives negative meaning. It gives negative meaning and to goes before an adjective or an adverb. To. Here we have some examples which are related to. If you can observe these examples, we can simply understand how to use to in a sentence. Here some two statements are given. Those two statements are to be combined by using to. Generally to comes before an adjective or an adverb. This is the point that we have to remember. Later we should use the infinitive form, such as the fifth form of the verb. The coffee is very hot, we cannot drink it. The coffee is very, not coffee, correct pronunciation is coffee. The coffee is very hot, we cannot drink it. These are the two events. Now let us combine these two events by using to. The coffee is too hot to drink. Here it cannot be used. You don't have to use it. Here it is nothing but coffee. The coffee is too hot to drink. To drink is infinitive form, and here if you can observe to, which comes before an adjective hot. In such a way, let us see one more example which is related to. He is very old. He cannot stand. He is too old to stand. He is too old to stand. The wall is very high. We cannot climb it. The wall is too high to climb. The boy is very short. He cannot reach the switch. The boy is too short to reach the switch. Okay, in such a way you can use a number of examples. We can say number of examples by using to. Okay, in my next session I shall meet you with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.